What will propel India into its decade? Innovation, technology, the power of young Indians. It is all this and more as technology becomes an integral part of our everyday lives and India's rapidly growing electronics capabilities. Digital India has changed the old narrative of India solely being an ITES hub a decade ago to a rising, trusted and global player in all things technology. From being a mere consumer of technology to one actively shaping the future of technology. India today is the fastest growing digital economy with a vibrant startup ecosystem, which is third largest in the world. So what will bring the next wave of startups and innovation? Unlike earlier, when the tech advancements were primarily fueled by hardware-driven performance, the focus today has shifted to design and innovation as the driving forces for the next generation of automotive, mobility and compute performance. Understanding that design in India is as important as make in India and that the next wave of innovation will be ushered by electronics system design, the Narendra Modi government proudly launches the Digital India Future Labs. Future Labs shall shape the future of electronics and electronic systems in India with dedicated thrust on automotive, industrial electronics and IoT, compute, communication and strategic electronics. It shall create tremendous opportunities for co-development and partnership amongst government, startups, R&D organizations and large enterprises, catalyzing the next generation electronic system design in New India.
भारत में इनोवेशन का कल्चर बढ़ाने के लिए हमें दो बातों पर निरंतर ध्यान देना होगा। सोशल सपोर्ट और इंस्टीट्यूशनल सपोर्ट, यानी समाज में इनोवेशन एज ए प्रोफेशन, इसकी स्वीकृति बढ़ रही है। रिसर्च और इनोवेशन को वे ऑफ वर्किंग से वे ऑफ लिविंग बनाना होगा।
This is indeed the most exciting period in the history of modern India. An inflection point as Indian startups are gearing up to create the next generation of products, devices, solutions and platforms for the world. The future of electronic system design and innovation starts at Future Labs. We invite all the partners in design and innovation ecosystem to be a part of Digital India Future Labs.